Hi, Namaste children. Welcome to Social Studies class. Children, in our previous class, we discussed about the lesson, 11th lesson, people who help us. And in our today's class, let us discuss about the exercise part of that 11th lesson. That is, people who help us. That lessons, questions and answers, and fill in the blanks, match the following, what are all the things are there in that exercise part. Let us discuss them. Please look at your screen. I am going to share them on your screen now. Yes, look at it. First main, it is, who brings us letter? We need to put the right mark on the correct answers. Who brings us letters? First question. Postman, policeman or doctor? Who brings us letters? You know it. That is postman. Second, doctors who treat sick animals are called what? So it means animals doctor. What we call him? Dentists or veterinary doctors or physicians. We call them veterinary doctors. So option 2 is the correct answer. Veterinary doctors. So those who are giving treatment to us for the human beings, they are normal doctors, common doctors. But people or doctors, those who are giving treatment to the animals, they are called veterinary doctors. We call them veterinary doctors. Third one, tropic is controlled by. Tropic. So you will be going to some another place while going on the way. So here and there people will be there. They will be controlling the traffic. They will give signals and all, especially in cities and towns. Who will be there? Those who are controlling traffic, they are policemen. Yes, not postman, not fireman. That is policeman. Policeman is going to control the traffic. Traffic will be controlled by policeman. Next one. To call police, the number you should dial on the telephone is. Now, in the emergency time, in an emergency time, you are going to call police. To which number you need to call? So that is 100, 100, that is 100. Guruji, what about 101? Can you guess which number it is? It is fire engine. Fire engine means 101. To call, for example, emergency, ಯಾವುದೋ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೂ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 101 ಅನ್ನು ಡಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ಫೈರ್ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈರ್ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 101. 101 is related to fire engine, 100 is related to police station or police, and 102, what it is? Can you? 102 is the number of ambulances. Ambulance, emergency, accident or something if they took place, that time you are going to call ambulance. So for that we need to dial 102. So here the correct answer is 100. Okay. So you need to keep in your mind these numbers, these emergency numbers. Now in Karnataka, 108 is for the ambulances. 108 we call them. 108 is used to call ambulances in our Karnataka. For medical facilities, we are going to call that number. Next, fill in the blanks. Downside. We should always write correct dash and dash to help the postman. Postman is bringing us letters. So to deliver that letter to the correct address, what we need to write on the letter? One is correct address, second one is pin code. I repeat, correct address. It means address should be correct, then pin code. Two also, they must be there on the letter. Then postman, he will deliver that letter to the correct address easily. So these are very important. Second, the person who treats sick people is called a dash. Doctor, that's all. So who is giving us treatment in the sick time when we will be not feeling well? So doctor will give us treatment. So doctor to be filled here. That word to be filled in the second blank. Third one, dash teach us good habits. Who teaches us good habits? Can you? Teachers. Very good. Teacher teach us good habits. In the third blank you can fill teacher. Teacher. Teacher teach us good habits, or teachers we can write here. Teach is the word, it is not continuous tense, so that we can write here teachers. Teachers teach us good habits. Last one, policeman protects our dash and dash. He protects our what and what he is going to protect? He is protecting our life and properties. Policeman protects our life and properties, and also he maintains the law and order. So here you need to write life and property. Okay, next, seamen write T for the true and F for the false statements. If they are correct, you need to write their true. If they are wrong sentences, you need to write their false. First one, the postman collects all letters from the post office. He is collecting those letters from the post office to deliver them. Correct, na? Yes, it is true. First one is true. Second one, the doctor works in a police station. Where he works? Yes, doctor will be working in the police station. Correct, huh? No, it is wrong. Doctor, he works in hospital. In a hospital or dispensary we call it. So he works in a hospital. So that is why here this sentence is false. Doctor works in police station, they said. Police station, policeman will be there, not doctor. So second one is false. Third one, teachers use the blackboard to teach. Teachers, they use blackboard to teach the lessons. Yes, third one is true. They use blackboard. Correct. Fourth one, the policeman helps us to keep in good health. Policeman is going to help us to keep good health. Correct? Eh? So no, his work is different. Policeman's work is different. He is going to take care of our life and properties, and also is the person is going to maintain the law and order. So here good health will be taken care by doctors. So that is why it is false. Fourth one is false. Once again you check your all the answers, 4 answers. First one true, second one false, third one true, fourth one false. Okay. D main, match the following. Here you can see doctor. So can you match where he works? Where he works? Doctor will be working in the dispensary. Dispensary is nothing but hospital. C, option C is the correct answer for that. Second one, postman. Postman, where he works? He works, so no place it is. No place is there in this list. So what he does is collecting envelopes. Envelope means postcards or letters. So that is envelope. Option D is the correct answer for second one, envelope. Third one, policeman. Where he works? He works in police station. He works in a police station. Police station, policeman. Last one, teacher, it is there, na? Teacher, school. Option B. Fourth one is option B, school. I will repeat. First one, doctor. Option C. First one, doctor is option C. Second, postman. Option D. Second one is. Third one, policeman. Option A, police station. Fourth one, teacher. Option B, school. Now questions and answers. This first question. Look at this. First question, what does the postman do? Answer, the postman delivers letters, telegrams, money orders and parcels to the right address. He is going to deliver them to the right address. What will be their address on the parcel or on the letter? To that address he is going to deliver the letter. That is his duty. Okay, it is his duty. Second question, what does the doctor do? Doctor gives treatment to the sick people. Doctor gives treatment to the sick people. Third one, what does the teacher do? What does the teacher do? The teacher gives us education and he teaches us what is right. I repeat, the teacher gives us education and he teaches us what is right. Fourth question, what does the policeman do? What does the policeman do? Answer, the policeman protects our life and property and also he maintains the law and order. The policeman protects our life and property and also he maintains the law and order. And last question, fifth one, name some values which you learnt from school. Which are the values you learnt in school? That you need to write. So answer, the values which I have learnt from my school are helping others, giving respect to the elders, love towards motherland. Mother means for our motherland. We have love towards our motherland. It is the value we got it from our school. Okay. Next one, taking care of animals and birds. And last one, how to keep our surrounding clean and why to keep it. That is the thing we have learnt it from our school. In school we are teaching how to throw the wastes, it means pencil waste or another things into the dustbin, and why to clean it, why to keep our surrounding clean and all we are telling in the classroom. Okay, from that you are going to learn it. So these are the values we have learned from the school end. So these are all the questions and answers. Okay children, now I am going to, after this video I am going to share all the answers to your WhatsApp group. So you can open your WhatsApp group and take down all the answers which to be written in your textbook. Those can be updated, and which are these questions and answers, especially these questions and answers can be written in the social CW. Okay, please complete all the works in time, and within 1 or 2 days you need to submit your all the notes, CWs and textbooks images through WhatsApp. Okay, you can submit them through WhatsApp. Just photo you take and send it to my WhatsApp number. Then from here only I will correct and reply to your all the messages. I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts related to these questions and answers, please you can call me and ask about your doubts. Okay, take care children. Have a nice day.